Hey you guys, today I received my first FabFitFun box. I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys today. Okay, so this is what you first see when you open the box. They give you a coupon code to give to somebody, along with a coupon for HelloFresh. Okay, and then you also get this magazine with all the products listed inside, how much they cost and what they do, a little bit more about them. This is what it looks like when you first unwrap the little gift paper. The second product is this exfoliating foot mask by Wish. It's really good for the summertime, especially when you start wearing a lot of sandals during this time. This foot mask retails for $32. The third product is this Eyeko eyeliner. This retails for $22. It's actually perfect because I was running out of my original eyeliner. The fourth product is this Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. I usually use a Mario Badescu, but since I ran out, this is perfect. It retails for $25 and some change, which is a really good price since it's an 8-ounce bottle. This is what the bottle itself looks like. As you can see, it's a lot of product for the money. This is the Coola Matte Setting Spray. This actually has SPF. I haven't used a setting spray that does that. The one I currently use is Huda Beauty and Ulta Beauty, so I'm really excited to give this a try. This retails for $36. This is what the bottle itself looks like. It has a nice glass finish. This is the Generation Clay Mask. This one retails for $39. I personally would not recommend this because my skin is very sensitive. It did cause a little bit of a burning sensation, and I wasn't a fan of the scent, but it might be perfect for someone else. This is the Invisibobble hair ties. I've heard a lot about these. I have not tried them yet, so I am pretty excited. These retail for $16. I also got this gold necklace. It retails for $50. This is what it looks like. It's perfect for the summertime. The very last product is this Summer and Rose tote. It's perfect for the beach time to carry all your towels or SPF or whatnot. This tote retails for $50. My whole box retails for $320 and some change. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe. I will be posting more unboxing videos later on and product reviews. Thank you. Please give me a thumbs up.